Hi everyone, and welcome to my first vlog. I'm going to take you with me to the first city that I tour out of 3 for my birthday. And these are just a few things that came in and that I ordered. So I was just showing a few things and having a photo shoot when I get to Cincinnati, which is the first city. Now let me take you with me to get my hair done. Boom! Look at her. Look at that girl. Then I went and got my lashes done. I was scared to try this place. It was a new place. My girl couldn't do my lashes, and they actually did a great job. So yeah, actually they came out super cute. So this is the day before I leave. I have to get an oil change, and they always have fresh coffee. Yes. Starbucks. I'm not a Starbucks girl, but I know how to get it together. Comment below how you like to make your coffee. Oh, it's a blue gorgeous thing right there. Let me walk on over. It's catching my attention right now. But your girl don't have 70 grand right now, so let me go and sit myself on down. Let me set it on down somewhere. Now we're at Midway Airport. It's pretty busy. Actually, it's super busy. But I'm early, so I'm pretty content today. Flying out of Chicago. There's my Aunt Denise. Hey, Denise. She's so sweet. And this place, the Big City Chicken, never had it before, so I just said, let me give me an egg on croissant or bun or whatever it is. But I had to take the chicken off, so no big deal. Wow, look at all these folks going to Cincinnati. Find a seat, get ready for my flight. Hey, you know what? Look at this. Now that's black girl magic. She's handling, when I saw her, I was like, wow, she is handling that huge vehicle. Amazing. Boarding. You gotta have a seat, you gotta find a seat, blah, blah. We're here. Hello, Cincinnati. This is my first time visiting the city. I am excited to see what it has to offer, and I'm also excited for my photo shoot later on today. Just checking out the details of the inside of the airport, as I always do in every airport that I fly in, and this classic car just totally caught my attention. It's pretty cool, and it's pretty neat to see in person. So now I have to get the rental, I have to get my luggage. I want everybody to just move out of my way. Let me grab my bag so I can get my rental car, because this is a very long process. Finally, going heading over to the rental car company and grabbing a vehicle, and now I have to put all of these bags in the back. 3 bags is a real hassle. Real bad. Real bad. But I needed everything that I brought with me for the photo shoot. Oh, look, on the drive over, that's someplace that's not in Chicago. So I like to check out different restaurants as well that we don't have in our city. And this was cute. Cincinnati is beautiful. And this place, because I am a details person, I am a detail kind of person, it just caught my eye. A bunch of signs, different signs, and I guess these are just different businesses that come out of the city of Cincinnati. Of course, I have to take a couple flash. All right, I guess I'll head on over. My balloons made it. This place was amazing. It's called the Swing House. It's located in Cincinnati. I reserved this place specifically for my birthday photo shoot, and then I will be flying out to the second city for the tour of that city. But if you stay tuned to this video, then you'll get a glimpse into a few pictures from my photo shoot. But tune in for part 2 for my Cincinnati tour. I'll take you guys with me and we'll go outside. But here's the swing. Ta-da! You'll see more of that in the next vlog as well. Happy birthday to me!